Profit Protector Pro is a repricer that I've been using for my Amazon FBA UK and USA store for around about 4 years now, guys. This repricer is extremely user friendly. It's got an amazing dashboard that gives you general analytics, and you can also update on the app and on the desktop in real time. As I say, it's extremely user friendly. I've been using it for years, and in this video I'm going to give you a full in-depth tutorial 2024 to show you exactly how to use it. Let's go. What's happening, everyone? So we are now inside Profit Protector Pro, maximizing seller profit. So this is the dashboard that you're going to see as soon as you start using Profit Protector Pro. There's a 14-day free trial if you hit the link below, by the way, guys. You want to try this thing out. So you're going to come to this dashboard here, and as I say, I've been using PPP for a long time now, guys. And as you can see here, this is one of the most vital reasons why you should be using Profit Protector Pro over any other repricer, because you get the PPP boost. Okay. Now, what's the PPP boost? The PPP boost is the Profit Protector Pro algorithmic system, where what it's doing is actually giving you more profit and getting you sales above the buy box price. Now, it sounds like that's rubbish. It sounds like that's not true. I promise you, I can give you exact examples of it doing this. Its algorithmic thing gives you more profit. So what the boost is it's the amount of times in the last 30 days or the all-time boost, which you can see mine is a whopping over $11,000 there, that PPP has got me above the buy box. So let's say a product's $9.99 on the buy box. All the sellers are $9.99, right? And it's just annoying you because your price is tanked. And you want to sell it at $11.99. Occasionally, not always, occasionally, Profit Protector Pro's algorithmic system will boost it up to $11.99 and actually get you that sale. Okay, so that is additional profit for using PPP here. So it gives you a good idea of that on the dashboard there. Now, second to that, it gives you the amount of products that need a minimum maximum added. Okay, so my team looks at that in the morning when they use these products and they know they've got some work to do. You can see all the products that are at the buy box, all the products are at the lowest price, all the products are at the minimum. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of inventory, guys. This is a lot of my USA stock as well, and a lot at max. Okay, so this is my own dashboard, guys. You can see it gives you it in this pie graph here, and then the repricing. It shows you at buy box from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, the where we are, which is pretty cool actually. It's actually a really cool feature. Okay, so we can see at buy box at lowest price. And then it tells us recently where we've been. So as you can see, we've had loads of SKUs recently, Monday and Tuesday, that have been added or repriced. Because we only had 148 one on Sunday. Now Tuesday we've got 378. That means my team has been hard at work adding all these products. Okay, and we've probably had a lot of new stock come in as well. If you scroll down, you can also see that the orders here as well. That's in the USA, etc. And then you can see the sales in the last few days as well. And then you can see the weekly overview in the UK and the USA there, guys, which is, yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, I'm going to show you on the actual repricing page here. Now, these SKUs, guys, before you think, oh, I could try and copy these, Hayden selling these products, they might be profitable. Trust me, they're not. I've just got a couple of old products here to show you because I can't show you my current inventory. So this is the page you're going to get here. And what you can actually do is go on the filters there and filter these by whatever you want. So you can filter it by duplicates, in stock. I always click in stock, click apply filter, and then I just work my way through, or my team works their way through. And what you can see here is the buy price. So every time you buy a product, you need to get your team, your VA or you, to add the cost price in here. And then you've got your sale price over there. You need to toggle on repricing, and toggle on compete with Amazon if you want to, toggle on if it's FBM, wholesale or pan, and then it will show you the stock there. Once it's in stock, it will show you the stock there, guys. As you can see, we haven't got any stock here. Looking over to the right here, you can see the current price. See, the current price is $41. And you can see our minimum and our maximum. So what you can actually do here is go ahead and type in what you want your minimum to be, right? And then depending on the strategy that you've chosen, which I'm going to show you in a minute, the algorithmic system and PPP's repricing system will get to work, okay? Now, usually what I do is either drop 1 penny below the buy box if it's competitive, or I'll match the buy box. And if you want to drop 1 penny below, what you've got to do is, let's say the low FBA price is 25. I would come on here and I'd go 24.90. And you've got to make sure your maximum is not below your minimum, obviously, guys. So then what that's going to do is you click save all changes, save all price changes, and then it will turn green, and that will update that on that whole page, guys. So what that's going to do is, depending on the strategy you've chosen, PPP is going to kick in, and then it's going to drop that a penny below 25 if you've done that, or it's going to match now the low FBA price. But if they do drop their price by a penny, then yours is going to drop by a penny because you've dropped it 10p below, just to give you that little wiggle room. I hope that makes sense. Now you can pick the automation. You could also do automate. Okay, automate. Yeah, okay. You can click the automate maximum settings if you want, guys. Automate. Okay, over here as well. But that's how you do it. That's how I do the manual repricing. Okay. Now what you can also do, you can also go on here and you can click the strategy. You can click the activity. And what the activity does is it shows you what it's done. Calculate decision. Your chosen strategy wants to go lower than your minimum price, so we are sitting at your minimum price. So that's the algorithmic system, the bot in PPP telling us what's going on. And then this one saying your chosen strategy wants to go lower than your minimum price, so we're sitting at the minimum price. So it's telling you that you can't go any lower. You need to go lower. If you want us to kick in, if you want us to drop a penny below the buy box, if you want us to go £1 below the buy box to match the minimum price, it's telling you here that it's requested a price that it can't get. So it's requested the price to meet the minimum rather than the request that you've picked for your chosen strategy. So it actually talks to you here, guys, which is fascinating. You can go on bulk inventory here, custom strategies over here. With the custom strategies, you can click custom strategy, you can create FBA, hit next, you can go through all these systems, click the filters that you want, new, and then what should PPP do in this scenario, and then you can build yourself your own system. Obviously I'm not going to do that now. You can build yourself your own system to reprice manually, reprice automatically without you having to do anything. Same with the automations here. Click on automation, wizard or flow, and then you can just tell the wizard to do something, or you can create your own one. It's really cool. I personally have my virtual assistant that goes through this manually as one of his tasks, the poor guy. And he goes through and manually does this stuff, guys. When you go to your account, you can go to your PPP settings, and you've got all these strategies to pick from. As you can see, you can toggle on whatever marketplace. It does all these marketplaces, guys, UK and USA. And you can pick all these strategies. So, for example, super aggressive dominator, that's going to be crazy. That's just going to get you to pursue that buy box no matter what. Penny under buy box is exactly what it says. It's going to go a penny under the buy box. Penny under low FBA price, which mine was set at, that's going to go a penny under the low FBA price. Okay, so I'll do that if I'm overstocked on some products and need to get rid of it. And then you've got MF, aggressive sales generator. So this is if you're an MF seller. Okay, got hybrid profit harvester, where it's going to try and retain your products. You've got things like balanced sales accumulator as well, where it's going to give you a balanced view on sales. And then you can type in all of your other data here. You can get sleep mode here, so you can toggle on sleep mode. So certain price. So it's what happens on sleep mode is you turn it on, and then what it's going to do is you can enter things that you want it to do, and you can enter it, ask it to up all your prices, for example, by 25% between the hours of 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. in the hope that if you do that, then other sellers will bring their price up too. Now, I hope that makes sense, guys. So, guys, that was a full tutorial. As I say, get the free trial below, 14-day free trial below. Let me know how you get on in the comments. See you soon.